how to schedule an Uber Eats order for later. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to schedule an Uber Eats order for later, whether you want dinner delivered in a few hours or lunch ready for tomorrow. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Uber Eats app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply browse or search for your favorite restaurant or food. And once you have found that, simply select it. And here you can add all the item that you want to your cart just like a normal order. And once your cart is ready, just tap on view cart or bag icon to continue. And here is where the magic happens. So there at the top of the checkout page, you'll see a delivery now or ASAP button. So just tap on it and here you will see the option to schedule an order or select a later time. So choose the date and time that you want the food to be delivered and here make sure to double check the time slots available. So here not all restaurants support scheduling. So here once you have scheduled your preferred time, review your order and delivery details. When everything looks good, just tap on place order and you are all set. And after that, Uber Eats will automatically send you order at the scheduled time so you don't need to do anything else. And that's it. That's how you can schedule an Uber Eats order for later. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.